Hey guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on different assets and also the educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Uh, Guys, this time the Bitcoin Cash, I'm just going to show you its move, and it's gonna take the move up to 160% bullish move very soon. So let's move to the chart to show you how it is making or it has completed the bullish setup. And this is the Bitcoin Cash with US dollar pair. And this would be the 1 day chart. All right, this is the day chart. And first, let me just show you its move on the day chart, how it took the bullish divergence. And after that, how it is retraced. All right. Now here you can see this is the December 2018, and this is the most highest point after December 2018 is the January 22, sorry, June 22, and from here, from December 2018 up to June 22, it has taken a very, very powerful bullish divergence and made a move up to 608% bullish move from here up to June 2019. All right. And if we see, because after that we can see the price correction, and if we place the Fibonacci, then we can see the price has been corrected up to 0.786 Fibonacci. In the meanwhile, it has also formed a pennant, and this is the resistance of the pennant. This is the resistance, and this is the support of this pennant. All right. And now we can see the price action is hitting the 0.786 Fibonacci support and likely to have a bounce from here. And if we place the Bollinger Bands, then the price action is also hitting the support, even beyond the support of this Bollinger Bands, uh, the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, and also hit at the support of this pennant, and likely to have a bounce from here. And if we see, all right, this is the situation on day chart. And if we see on the 4-hour chart to see the Ichimoku Cloud, first I need to remove this Bollinger Bands to show you the clear situation of Ichimoku Cloud. Then we can see on 4-hour chart, let me to remove also these drawing tools. like pennant and all right. So this is the Ichimoku Cloud. On 4-hour chart, we can see now the Ichimoku Cloud is reversed to bullish. It was bearish and it was turned bearish here. Originally, it was turned bearish here in November 2019. Now, you might say that it was also turned bullish here and turned bearish again here. Why I'm not considering it as a bullish reversal or bearish reversal? The reason is that this was a false bullish reversal. Because if we see the lagging span of the Ichimoku Cloud, let me to make it more prominent, the lagging span to show you clear move of the Ichimoku Cloud, then we can see here the lagging span was failed to cross up the price action and move down again. Therefore, it is turned again bearish and the price action moved more down. So this was the false bullish reversal. Moreover, if we see the conversion line and the baseline as well, I'm just making those lines more prominent as well to show you more clear. All right, this blue one is the conversion line and this brown one is the baseline. And you can see here uh, the blue line or the conversion line is also failed to cross up the baseline. And it is really required for the bullish reversal, the true bullish reversal of the Ichimoku Cloud, that the blue line, the conversion line, should cross up the baseline, and the lagging span should cross up the candlesticks or the price line. And after that, the cloud uh, turned to reverse condition. But here we can see both situations are false. We can see that we can see that the lagging span is failed to cross up the price line here, and also the conversion line is failed to cross up the baseline. Therefore, the cloud turned bearish again, and we can see the more bearish move. Now here, why I am considering this a true reversal, that the lagging span has very clearly and obviously, in a very obvious manner, has crossed up the price action here. We can see in a very obvious manner. And if we see the conversion line and the baseline, then the conversion line has very clearly and in very obvious manner crossed up the baseline. So this can be a very true Ichimoku Cloud bullish reversal. And now it will be difficult for the candlestick or for the price line to cross down the cloud again. It can move up or take the bullish divergence at any time. And if we see back to the day chart, the moving averages, like uh, the exponential moving averages, this is the exponential. First would be the exponential moving average 10 with blue color. All right. This is the exponential moving average 10, and the second will be exponential moving average with the time period of 20 in red color. Right? This is in red color. We have exponential moving average with the time period of 20. All right, here we can see that after the death cross, which was formed almost on 18th of November, this is the death cross. The price line is likely to form a bull cross very soon because the blue line is moving up and lifting the price action up. And if we see the MACD with these moving averages, the moving average conversion divergence, then we can see below these moving averages, the MACD indicator is turned very strong bullish. Even it has given the bull cross, and the histogram of the MACD is strong bullish, and in dark green color we can see here. And if we see, I'm just placing the stochastic with the MACD, then we can see the stochastic is also a very it has given the bull cross and it is turned very strong bullish. And if we see the RSI, the relative strength index, then you can see here it was oversold and it is also turned bullish and moving up now. All right, so these are the oscillators, moving averages, and the indicators which are giving us the clear indications that the price action is turning bullish. But if we see the harmonic move of the price action, I'm just removing all the indicators in drawing tools, and we can see within this pennant, even on the bigger chart, on V chart, now we are on the bigger chart, on week chart. You can see that the price action has formed a harmonic pattern. And this is the harmonic garlic pattern. This is the initial leg up to here. And this is the second leg, the A to B leg. And this is the B to C leg. And this is the final leg, and which is retraced up to 0.782 Fibonacci. All right. If we see that how the pattern is perfectly driven, then after initial X to A leg, the A to B leg should be retraced up to at least 0.618 Fibonacci. But there we have slightly little bit difference, and it is retraced up to 0.591 Fibonacci. But all other legs are driven very perfectly as required for the garlic pattern. Therefore, I am just ignoring this difference. And after that, we need the projection, the B to C projection up to between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci of AB Fibonacci projection. And here we can see the price action is retraced or projected up to 0.394 Fibonacci. So this is as required for the bullish garlic patterns B to C leg. And C to D legs should be retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And here we have the retracement between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And now this should be our sell target zone from A to D Fibonacci projection between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. Now you'll say that that the price action has already hit the sell target, then why we are considering it again a valid trade or valid pattern, because this is only a price correction. And if we place the volume profile on this indicator, on this pattern, then we can clearly see that so far the trader's interest is not developed below this potential reversal zone of this garlic pattern. You can see the trader's interest at this level is very low. Therefore, the price action will again uh, bounce back from here, and it will be very easily, and it will be entered, completely entered in this sell zone area or Fibonacci level, which is A to D Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci. So this is our sell zone. All right. Now, I am just taking you to the chart I've published, the Bitcoin Cash chart. And you can see on TradingView, it is one of the most popular chart of Bitcoin Cash uh, among all the Bitcoin Cash charts on the TradingView. And this is a complete article. You can find it in my portal, in my page on the TradingView. I'm just showing you the targets. And this is the buying range, and these are the sell targets. So this trade has the capacity to give up to 163% profit. I'm just also sharing the TradingView's link in the video's description. When you'll click on the link, you will be on the TradingView site like this, and you just need to select the people option from here and write my username, which is moon333. You will find my link. Just click on this link, and after that, you will be able to see my all charts, which I have shared and published here, and you can also follow me on the TradingView as well. And I'm also sharing the Binance exchange link in the in the video's description, because Binance is the exchange which has the largest trading volume of almost every cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin Cash as well. So it will be very easy for you to trade almost every cryptocurrency with a good trading volume on the Binance exchange. You can find in the video's description. That's all for now. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.